Hi everyone, welcome back. Few days ago I had put an Insta story on my crochet works. I used to do crochets before beginning this channel and ever since then got really busy and I didn't do any crochet works. One such that I had left behind was this dress. It was in 2017 and I completed it just 2 days back. So in today's video, thought of sharing a tutorial on a simple crochet tea coaster which is easy to make. Hope you would give it a try. Keep watching. So this is a crochet needle that has got a hook kind on one end. I'm using the 5mm needle. You get in different sizes. And this is the yarn I'm using. Right now I don't have any new one. I'm using the one that I had with me that I had done for my previous projects. This is not very thin, not too thick. First step is you need to make a knot. You can make it in any way. Beginners can follow this. Make a knot, insert your needle and pull. Now I hold my yarn like this, wrap around the little finger, then onto the index finger and then start. Now start with 6 chains, yarn over and pull. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then insert the needle into the first chain. Yarn over and pull through inside and again pull the second time, and that's a slip stitch, and then you get the base or the middle circle of the coaster. So you'll be working on this. So that's the circle in the center, you can see. We'll begin with the first round. So begin with 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. So this is your first loop. So for the second loop, yarn over, insert the needle, again yarn over and pull. So you get 3 loops on the needle. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we call that a double crochet. So that makes the second loop. Like this, repeat and you need a total of 20 loops. So I'll show you once more. Yarn over, insert into the circle, yarn over, pull back. You get 3 on the needle, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the third loop. Do yarn this extra loop along so that it's secure. So continue till you get a total of 20 loops. So my 20 loops are completed. Now you have to connect it. So what you do is, on the first loop you began with, choose the third chain from bottom. 1, 2 and 3. Insert your needle through the third chain, yarn over, pull and again pull through. So it's connected. Now the first round is complete. Next again 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. So this loop will be considered as one double crochet of the next row. Now again onto the next hole, insert your needle and make a double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the next hole, yarn over, pull back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that's the double crochet. So we got 2 double crochets. So after 2 double crochets, you make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Then repeat, So onto the next hole, yarn over, insert, pull back, yarn over, pull 2 times and yarn over, pull 2 times. So you get again a double crochet. Do one more time onto the next hole, and that's 2 double crochets again. Then after 2 double crochets, make 2 chains, that's 1 and 2. Then continue. So what you'll do is 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. So that's how you have to continue. So that comes to the last one, and how to join it. Make the last 2 chains, 1 and 2. On the very first loop that you made, see for the third chain from the bottom. So the first chain, second chain and the third chain. Insert the needle, yarn over, pull back and pull back again. So that's connected and the round is complete. On to the next round, make 3 chains first, 1, 2 and 3. Then on each big hole that you see, you need to make an order of 2 double crochets, then 2 chains and 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert through the big hole, yarn over, pull back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So that's the 1 double crochet we got. One more double crochet, and that's the second one. After second one, make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Then in the same big hole, we need 2 double crochets. So that's the first double crochet after the 2 chains, and one more. So we get a total of 4 loops in each hole, but after 2 loops, make 2 chains and again 2 loops. Then on to the next big hole, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, again pull through 2 loops. So that's the first double crochet. Then repeat for the second double crochet. After the second double crochet, make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and again make 2 double crochets in the same hole. So that's the first one and then the second one. Now continue the same way. So that's coming to an end. You can see the next hole. The first loop that we did will be added to the last one. So in this hole, we'll be doing 2 double crochets, yarn over, double crochet, again yarn over and double crochet. Then 2 chains, 1 and 2, then 1 double crochet, and then connect on the third chain from the bottom. Insert the needle, yarn over, pull back and pull again. So that completes the round. Then to the final round, make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Then what we do next is, over to this hole that we made by adding 2 chains in between the 4 double crochets, insert the needle, yarn over, pull back and pull again. Now on to the next hole that you see over here. Make 6 double crochets in the same hole. So yarn over, insert through the hole, yarn over, pull back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that's the first double crochet, then the second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and the last one, that's the sixth one. So that makes 6 double crochets in a single hole. Then it's repetition. Next hole, between the 4 double crochets, insert the needle, pull back and again. Then on the next hole, make 6 double crochets and then continue. Now on to the last hole, make 5 double crochets because the very first loop that we began with will be considered the 6th double crochet. So do 5 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's the first loop where we started, and it will end on it, making it the 6th double crochet. So look on the 3rd chain and connect as we did earlier. So that completes the round. Cut the loop and pull. Then pull it hard, making it tight. Cut the end to make it look neat. Even over here, you'll find the extra loop, just give a cut. Stretch lightly with your hands and that completes the project. You can add colors simply by giving a knot or keep it simple just by one color. So that's for today's video. I hope you would try it out. Do let me know if you need more of such tutorials so that I could add videos on crochets. See you with another one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.